Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I created 4 different collages in 4 different styles using the same image that I found in a magazine. Let's start with a minimalist design. Minimalism is an art movement dating back to the 1960s, emphasizing simplicity and objectivity. Emerging in the mid-20th century, minimalism was influenced by abstract expressionism and abstract geometry. A minimalist artwork stands out for its simplicity, clarity, balance, aesthetics, and limited color palette, featuring basic lines and geometric forms while avoiding complexity. Therefore, in the first collage, I used text as geometric shapes. I kept the design limited to black, white, and red colors and, to further simplify the appearance, did not include the word rose. Abstract art is a genre that does not directly represent real objects and often expresses emotional or abstract concepts. Artists use visual elements such as color, line, and form to direct the viewer's emotional response and intellectual engagement. Abstract art tends to push boundaries, break traditional rules, and allow the audience to interpret the artwork in their own way. In this collage, since the main image is black and white, I wanted to add images in other colors, both close and distant in tone. In terms of form, I aimed for a balance by creating a sense of complementing each other in some and separating in others. Anthropomorphic art involves depicting entities or objects that do not possess human characteristics with human-like forms. Such artworks often imbue animals or supernatural beings with human-like attributes, giving them an anthropomorphic meaning. Anthropomorphic art, by delving into the depths of human psychology and cultural context, allows the viewer to have an emotional and intellectual experience. Firstly, I gathered animal images that matched the physical posture of the woman in the visual. In analog collage, as everyone knows, there is no undo button that you can press for any mistakes. Therefore, starting from the animal images I had, I chose to initially cut only the face of the girl in my main image. Then, there were trials, errors, and preferences. Believe me, through experimentation, a perfectly fitting and charming animal always emerges. Pop art is an art movement that emerged from the late 1950s to the mid-1960s. This movement questions traditional art norms by transforming objects from everyday life, popular culture, and consumer society into works of art. Pop art stands out with its vibrant, energetic atmosphere, bold and striking colors, repetition, advertising images, and iconic symbols. In this final collage, instead of the dark black costume that dominates most of the image, I replaced it with colors dominated by yellow, red, green, and blue. I added a touch of fashion. Afterward, feeling that the colors were a bit subdued, I mixed things up a bit more with some paints. Creating these 4 collages was a very enjoyable challenge for me. I hope you had fun too. I came up with an idea. How about you challenge yourself in a similar way? Whether you come across the same images in a magazine like I did, or you print several copies of a picture you like, create collages in different styles, and let's meet on Instagram. I'll write the details in the description section. If you like this idea, I'm looking forward to your comments. Don't forget to like, save the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.